i-energy yomuntu osesemncane oyi-youth, it makes a difference because bane-creativity, bashintsha izinto that are fixed ekudaleni to the new society that we are living in. Mawuthinta umuntu in physiotherapy, it has to be research based. So yonke into esiyenzayo in physiotherapy is research based. Ngizokwenza example about i-chest physiotherapy, ukuthi umuntu mawumthinta umkhipha ikhwehlela, iyayikhipha ikhwehlela nanokuthi futhi menza ukuthi aphefumule kangcono. Kwenziwa i-research ukuze sibone ukuthi iyasebenza leyo nto leyo. Abantu abasha ngiyabanxenxa ukuthi basukume bahambe bayofunda, because i-research we need to renew it. Angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngisebenzise into eyi-research eyenziwa ngo-1997 namhlanje ku-2023, because evolve. We are living in a world where we are evolving and it's a changing society. We are a future society. Ithina esingenza difference from ekuphathweni abantu abadala in a way. I'm not saying it in a wrong way, but i-energy yomuntu osesemncane oyi-youth, it makes a difference because bane-creativity, bashintsha izinto that are fixed ekudaleni to the new society that we are living in. So ngiyabanxenxa abantu ukuthi basukume bayofunda in tertiary khona bezokwazi ukuyimela nanokuthi bakwazi ukuthi basiza abantu abangakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukuyisiza bona, like in a deeper area where umuntu engenalithemba lokuthi ngizofika eVit University. I mean, I grew up kwakuthiwa I won't be able to learn eVit University because of where I come from. So that was breaking a curse that was from where I come from. So Youth Day is very important to us. Youth Month as a whole is very important to us. Yasifundisa ukuthi sabantu abasha, we are the future of the society. Ngaphandle kwethu i-future ayikho.